So we're back trying to find the best product to keep your glasses from fogging up. And today I get to be joined by my wife, Theresa, who's gonna help us out, try to find out which soap is the best product to use. So today we're gonna test out whether soap can actually help the glasses from fogging up. Have you ever heard if soap can fix the glasses?
I've had a couple of friends talk about it, but I don't know if it really works.
Okay, well, we're gonna try it out. Now, from other videos that we've done in the past, if you wanna check those out, they are in the link above or in the description or the show notes below. But what we have learned that is if you don't rinse the product off the lens and just wipe it off, seems to work best. So we're gonna kind of do that with these more liquid soaps. But the bar soaps, everything kind of shows us to put it on the lens dry and just wipe it off. No water at all. So the only thing I would say to be careful with the soap, the hand soaps, is don't get any of those that have the kind of coarse grit in there that helps exfoliate.
Yeah.
Is that the right word?
Yeah.
Okay, exfoliate. So after this video, we're gonna get all the finalists that we've had in the past videos, and we're gonna pit them up against each other and see which is the ultimate anti-fog product.
I can't wait to see that.
It's gonna be interesting. I'm curious to see if it's the products that advertise it anti-fog or just something that you can find at your house. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. Just like we always do, we're gonna zoom through the process of us doing it. Like I said, just gonna put it on the lens and wipe off. Same thing here, keeping it dry. And then we'll go ahead and test them out and see how it works.
Hey, you know what my grandfather said?
What?
Get back to work!
All right, so as you can see, that is the Dove, and yeah, you can't even see through that.
Well, I wouldn't say it's Dove's fault.
No,
I think
it's just that's not the purpose of it.
Well, I think you don't need to put like 100 layers on
What are you
that
trying to
lens.
say?
On that lens. So we might need a little bit of water to get that off.
Yeah, definitely.
But next one we're gonna put a lot lighter of a layer.
All right, so this is just wiping off just a little bit. I can almost kind of see through it now, but yeah, as you can see, you can't really see through that.
All right, yeah, scratches is not the key. Anti-fog is the key. So we're gonna be very careful with those. So we're gonna keep going. Probably not apply as much to that lens if we can.
All right. All right, as you see with this one, even just the initial just rubbing it on, it's a lot clearer. So that's without wiping it. And this is Ivory soap. All right, so this is the Ivory after I've wiped it down. Definitely a lot more clear. So we'll see what it looks like when we put the fog to it.
All right, so I did get all of the Dove soap off of that lens, but I did have to use the cleaner to get that off. So I'm gonna do it one more time with that Dove and with a light coat and see if I can just rub it, take it off without using any liquid, because that's what we're trying to do with the hand soaps, because all the instructions were saying don't wet it. So we're gonna try it one more time.
So this one is the Irish Spring, and it cleaned up pretty good. So we'll see how that goes.
And I just finished up the Dove again. I put a lot less on there and just relied on kind of with the cloth rubbing that off and hoping that anywhere that I didn't quite rub the soap on, that it kind of spread over. So we'll see what it does with the anti-fog. If it does extraordinarily better than all the other ones, then maybe it's because I put 2 coats. And if it does, then I'll try it one more time with a whole different lens. But we'll see.
All right, so which one do you think is gonna win?
I think, well, I will say, as far as these, all the instructions said to use white soap, but I was curious to see if the green soap would have any difference. So I always like to pick the underdog, so I'm going with the green soap. How about you?
See, I didn't put those on, but I mean, Dawn does everything well. So I'm gonna go with the Dawn dish soap.
Okay. Now go ahead and comment below what yours winner will be. And if I see you made that comment and you get, if you actually won and picked the right one, then what can we give them?
I don't know.
How about a thumbs up? I'll give you a thumbs up. All right, let's test it out. In a way,
Ooh.
looks pretty good.
Yeah.
See a little bit of filmy on it, but
That's nothing.
yeah, compared to what we had in the control, that's
And this is an extreme example too.
okay. No, well, it's not bad. Around the number, it's a little fuzzy, but
But I didn't do around the number.
Right.
I'm going to go around the 4 so I don't delete the 4. Is that okay?
I'm not paying attention to you. It's not letting you distract me. Okay,
So yeah.
so not
They're all
bad.
really consistent.
Yeah, all right, looks good. We tested everything out, and I think we don't necessarily have a perfect winner just because I think they all worked pretty well. What do you think?
Yeah, it was of all the tests that we've done to this point, this round has definitely been the most consistent with the results.
So as far as the ease of use, I would say the dish soaps definitely got the winner on this one. Now I would say out of these three, I think these two worked pretty equally and just a little bit better than Palmolive. So as far as the winner, we're gonna go with Dawn dish soap. Well, let's go with whatever's at your home. If you use either one of these, they work pretty well, but I think most people use Dawn, which is why I'm gonna bring this one into our winner's circle for our next video. So if you like this video, then please give us a thumbs up.
And subscribe if you would like to see more.
And don't forget to hit that bell icon so you get notified every time we put out another video. So stay clean, stay focused, and
Stay foggy free.
we'll see you next week. All right, stay clean. That's weird. That's okay.
Do you want to say that again?
No, I think it's fine.